In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically send a Salesforce report to anyone. This process is incredibly useful for staying organized and keeping your team updated without having to manually send reports each time they're needed. So let's dive right in. Start by navigating to the Reports section in Salesforce. This is where you'll find all the reports you have previously created or have access to. Once you're in, take a moment to locate the specific report that you wish to send. If you're managing multiple reports, use the sorting or search functionalities to efficiently find your desired report. After selecting the report, look for the More Actions menu typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Click it, and then choose the Edit option. This will allow you to modify the report settings as needed. Next, you'll want to find the Subscribe button. Clicking this allows you to set the report to be sent automatically at regular intervals. Now you'll focus on setting the frequency. This is essentially how often you want the report to be sent out. It could be daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on your needs. For example, if your team needs constant updates, you might opt for a daily frequency. On the other hand, strategic overview reports might be better suited to a monthly delivery. Once you've selected the frequency, it's time to choose the days when these reports should be sent. This is particularly important if you're working within specific timeframes. You have the flexibility to select multiple days during the week to align with your team's workflow and reporting requirements. Next, choose a specific time for these reports to be dispatched. Aligning the distribution to the start of the workday can ensure that the data is fresh and available as soon as possible. Alternatively, you might select a time just before key meetings or deadlines. If necessary, you can opt to include an attachment with your report. This choice can be beneficial if your recipients prefer to view or save the report in a specific format such as PDF or CSV. Following this, click the Edit Recipients button. This allows you to manage who receives the report. Here, you'll add the names of users who should receive the updates. Simply type the usernames or select them from your contact list to ensure the report arrives in the right inboxes. After choosing the recipients, simply click the Add button. This confirms your selections, ensuring that everyone who needs the report will receive it. Then, click the Close button to exit out of the recipient editor. Finally, be sure to save all these settings by clicking the Save button. This action confirms all your choices and activates the automated sending process. That's it! You've successfully configured Salesforce to automatically send your report without manual intervention. Enjoy the newfound efficiency and ease this setup brings to your workflow.